Don't worry. They aren't gone. We can call them back at any time with this marker. Stay close. We need to get to Castleguard. I don't want to stay here any longer than we have to.
Hey, it's the Mangeois.
Both of you get behind me! Now!
Barretto, what are you doing here?
It's Decker! Follow me! Hurry! Wait!
Careful up ahead, it gets slippery.
Decker!
Wait! Oh no! Oh, Barretto, no! Chris, he's dead. The marker's smashed. We can't get back. We better hope the professor's still got one. Follow me. There's a ledge. It's too steep to walk. Maybe we can slide. Quick! Down this trail! Whoa! It's slippery. Watch out, Chris! Try not to hit any rocks! My pack! I dropped my food! Whoa, Chris. You're coming up on a washed-out bridge. You'll have to jump it. When you get to the fork, keep to the right and try to slow down. Another jump ahead. Watch out. There's Castleguard. Let's find the professor. We made it.
should be arriving soon. You will not miss them. They do not fit in here. Do not let them get away. Bring them to me immediately. Bien, écoutez, monsieur. There, get them! I will meet you at the tournament.
It's him, Decker. We have to get out of here. The barrel's near the gate. Throw the barrels at it. It's locked. I can pick it. Keep an eye on them. I call that a strike. I've almost got this. I'm getting it. Keep blocking them. One more second. Got it. Let's get out of here. Good work, Chris. I thought I would never get that door open. These houses often backed up to another street. There's probably a door below. We need to get to the public area of town. If the locals have seen the professor, they'll be talking about a stranger. Just don't draw attention to us. You go ahead.
De louche quadrif, lui.
C'est que maman si ton père. Et pour que t'as pas de ton si dur.
De la muche, dans ça, la rune, à la giga, la rique, Oliver, was denn la bande nude. La réponse, la que tu.
Dans l'hiver, monsieur, dans ce hier, allô, est-ce qu'il y a des faire, c'est.
Du coup, Sigma Takatan, ça.
Si devient fort, on se charge de toute façon.
Parce que valait des souhaitons, c'est ça. Ton vas-y, Bill, à ce gars.
C'est boulet d'eau. Qui était voir cet ami l'autre à l'hiver? Ils sont deux d'un peu fort.
Et le compte tire là, t'es l'eau dans l'erreur.
Si t'as pas ça, il est peut-être à l'hiver.
See the banners on the windows? Visiting knights were said to have hung their heraldry outside their rooms at the inns. The tournament field is this way. It's the most likely place for the professor to be. Let's go.
Oh, j'y vais qui?
Chris, the inn. You can get inside now. The professor says I'll pass as your page, but you need a knight's tunic. A shirt shouldn't be too hard to find if you can get into one of the rooms. I'll stay here and keep watch.
Keep to the ground floor. The bedrooms upstairs are off limits.
Si veulent que donne.
C'est le capuchon et ma queue.
Ça, c'est la bonne
Chris,
I would
the
not go
bedrooms are
near them if I
upstairs.
were you.
Try sneaking
They would
around the
fight
back.
with the devil if he stepped in their paths.
Ça, c'est la bonne
And where do you think you are going?
Pretty
You
rough
don't
place to be
even
going
have a
around.
sword. You'll be killed without a sword. I tried to warn you.
Si veulent que donne.
C'est le capuchon et ma queue.
Ça, c'est la bonne
Chris, the bedrooms are upstairs. Try sneaking around the back.
I would not go near them if I were you. They would fight with the devil if he stepped in their paths.
I yield.
You want me to teach you how to use that? Good luck.
I would not go near them if I were you. They would fight with the devil if he stepped in their paths.
Si veulent que donne.
C'est le capuchon et ma queue.
Ça, c'est la bonne. Ça, c'est la bonne.
Chris, the bedrooms are upstairs. Try sneaking around the back.
Si veulent que donne.
C'est le capuchon et ma queue.
I would not go near
Ça,
them
c'est
if
la
I were you.
bonne.
They would fight with the devil if he stepped in their
Chris, the
paths.
bedrooms are upstairs. Try sneaking around the back.
Ah. Nice sword.
You want me to teach you how to use that? Good luck.
Chris, a group of knights just entered the inn. They may be headed upstairs. Be careful. Chris, get out of there as soon as you get the tunic. Go back downstairs as quick as you can. Don't let anyone see you.
No! I yield!
There you are, my lord. We've been looking everywhere for you. You are next in the joust. You are next to joust, good sir.
Chris, I'm over in the stands with the commoners. I'll be watching.
It's time to take your mount, my lord. A jumper right up.
The professor is with Oliver in the Lord's box. I'll be here keeping an eye on them.
You know the rules. Aim your lance at the breastplate. The shield and body count as a hit, but the breastplate is the bullseye. Unhorse 3 knights to win the day. The first will be Sir Edward de Norling. He should present no difficulty. I believe he has been drinking. When you are ready, sir, press the action key. You'll hear the trumpets and be off.
drunk again.
That was great, Chris.
Your second opponent is Sir Charles du Barry. He is strong and worthy, if a bit cruel. When you're ready, Sir Knight.
I will not lose my own tournament. Do you think you can handle that for me?
Your third opponent is Sir Guy de Malagant, Lord Oliver's favorite. Sir Guy has never been beaten in the lists, and many opponents have died at his hands. He aims his lance at your head. May God keep you safe.
Pathetic! How dare you embarrass me like this? I don't even know who that is! And in my own town! Take the professor to the castle at once. I'll be right there.
Nicely done. But now we've got to catch up to the professor. If we don't move now, we'll get trapped in here. There's the professor. He's being moved to the castle apartments. We need to get up there. He's taking our weapons. No one can enter while armed, he says. He says we can keep our stick. He doesn't realize it's a weapon. Okay, Chris. You handle this one. Make it quick, too. Wait for me! Yes! There's the door to the apartments. Don't be seen.
Regarde ici, de l'autre côté, fils le professeur.
Tiens!
C'est rien. Olivier, il doit point le cul chez la coton, fils la matoton.
Don't be seen.
Regarde ici, de l'autre côté, fils le professeur.
Tiens!
C'est rien. Olivier, il doit point le cul chez la coton, fils la matoton. Infernien! Infernien! Regarde ici, de l'autre côté, fils le professeur.
Tiens!
C'est rien. Olivier, il doit point le cul chez la coton, fils la matoton.
Good work. Now, let's see if we can get through the apartments. If you hear the guards coming, hide behind something.
Infernien!
Good work. Now, let's see if we can get through the apartments. If you hear the guards coming, hide behind something. It's okay to peek, but be careful. Don't lean too far.
Ça fait traîner, on va sur la table bien, mais on obéit avant de bouillir. Infernien!
It's okay to peek, but be careful. Don't lean too far.
Ça fait traîner, on va sur la table bien, mais on obéit avant de bouillir.
Ça non, non, ma toi.
They're looking for us.
Infernien! Infernien! Infernien!
It's okay to peek, but be careful. Don't lean too far.
Infernien!
It's okay to peek, but be careful. Don't lean too far.
Ça fait traîner, on va sur la table bien, mais on obéit avant de bouillir.
Ça non, non, ma toi.
They're looking for us.
Infernien!
It's okay to peek, but be careful. Don't lean too far.
Ça fait traîner, on va sur la table bien, mais on obéit avant de bouillir.
Ça non, non, ma toi.
They're looking for us.
It is nothing, my lord. I am sure of it.
No, you idiot. They're following the professor.
My lord, they did but come for the tourney.
Oh, yes, the tourney. How bold of you to remind me. They have been trying to get to the professor ever since they entered my town. And then what? Borrowed robes. Taken from the inn. They are thieves. I kill thieves.
I do not know these men, my lord.
Do not lie to me. You are a wise man, Professor, which is why Marcellus would confide in you.
My lord, Marcellus did not...
My lord, we must make preparations. The enemy is certain to attack us soon.
Yes, I know. I say let them attack. Let them just kill all of you and my troubles are done. Come, Professor, you shall go to my private quarters. And there we shall see if your advice is worth the lives of your friends.
Too many guards. We have to find the secret passage. Keep going. Of course. Too many guards. We have to find the secret passage. Keep going. Of course. Look behind the tapestry.
You know, the company will be attacking soon.
I don't care. Let them attack.
My lord.
Ah, and what would be your recommendation?
La Roque, my lord. It is an impenetrable fortress.
Impenetrable? Only if they haven't discovered the secret passage.
La Roque is our only option. No one has ever found the secret passage, if one even exists.
Fuyez l'erreur. Je prétends payer au tombeau. Elle a pas tout dit.
Good. You're here. Are you all right?
Yes, but we lost our marker.
Mine is safe, but I don't have it. We can't talk now. They're taking me to La Roque at any minute. Here. This should tell you everything. They say I must go with them, but you must leave. Castleguard is being attacked. Don't delay. You'll have to read it later. Just get out of the village as fast as you can. Take a horse from the courtyard and ride out of town.
Chris, I'm ahead of you. Meet me outside the gate. You must get there before the 12th gong. Ride!
go immediately to the mill and get my marker from Marcellus. Oliver captured me there. He's holding me because he thinks I know the secret passage to Larocque. Marcellus designed the passage so he can also give you the key and tell you where it is. You'll need it. Oliver has taken me to Larocque, but he'll soon be attacked there also. Your only way into Larocque is that passage. Hurry before the attack.
The only way to get inside will be that water wheel. We need to grab onto it and let it... The only way to get inside will be that water wheel. We need to grab onto it and let it pull us inside.